back with yet another short video of a recent pickup that I just did. And before I do this, I just want to say a happy new year to all of my subscribers and everybody out there who's watching this video. I hope that 2019 is gonna be a great year, and I wish you all the best in whatever you do, and most of all I wish you good health and good happiness and love from the ones around you. Now, without further ado, I recently picked up this item. It's from Louis Vuitton and it is a second-hand item. I bought it from a reputable seller on eBay, and it is an item that comes in one of these new Louis Vuitton boxes. It came with the invoice and everything, and as you know by the title already, it is a Louis Vuitton Zippy Organizer in damier graphite. I'm not gonna show you inside. I have the ribbon, and the invoice for this item, and I picked it up from a seller in Germany who has been selling it as a as a used item. And to tell you the truth, it looks like new. It wasn't used a lot. It has a little bit of scuffing right here. I don't know if you're gonna see it here on these corners, but it's really minimum. The zipper is smooth as butter, beautiful. And inside, this is one of these large ones that opens completely. You have a little compartment here for your checkbook or papers or something that you could put right here, this floppy compartment. And here you have a pen loop. I still didn't put a pen in here, but I will definitely put a pen in here. I just need to find something that is small enough that would fit in here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, as you can see right here. And then it comes with 6 credit card slots right here in the front. And it has also credit card slots here in the back. 6 again. So altogether like 12 credit card slots. Plus it has a compartment for your bills here. And it has a zippered compartment here for your coins or something, whatever you would like to put in here. I usually use my pocket, coin purse for Louis Vuitton for coins. And I don't like to put coins in my wallets because I just don't like the way it deforms the shape of the wallet. But there it is. It has silver hardware, really nice pull tab here. It says Louis Vuitton on the pull tab. There. And this is quite a big wallet, guys. It's definitely, more of a clutch style wallet than a wallet per se. I have a multiple wallet from Louis Vuitton, which is a bifold in the same canvas as this, which I use now with my Thomas bag. And to be honest, this wallet is so big, I don't even think it would fit into my Thomas bag. Of course, it will fit in my porte documents Joe or any other day bag, but in a smaller bag, it's gonna be quite hard to fit this in. I still start to use this because I just got it maybe a week or 2 weeks ago. I was away for the New Year's, Christmas and so on, therefore I didn't put it to the use yet, but I'm looking forward to use it. One thing that I noticed was that it is big enough that you could actually put a mobile phone behind here and close it up like this. And as I said, it is more of a clutch than a wallet, but it's definitely useful. It can hold more than just your paper, money and coins. Definitely credit cards and other documents, card documents or stuff that you need to have with you on a daily basis. So definitely I can see myself using this piece. It's not gonna be probably for every occasion. It's maybe not the best piece for a night out, but it's a great piece for your when you're going to work, or for your days, for your work days, I'm sorry about that. Therefore I mean, with this damier graphite pattern, I think it's quite incognito, so it doesn't really stand out that much, aside from you know, for the people that know Louis Vuitton. Other than that, it's pretty low key with damier graphite pattern, therefore I picked it up in this pattern. You can also get this in I think epi leather, and I think it was also available in standard monogram print. But for me, as most pieces that I have actually that I use are in damier graphite, therefore, you know, I went with this one. And I really like the silver hardware. I'm not a fan of the golden hardware that much, therefore for me this was a natural pick. Here, this is the Louis Vuitton Zippy Organizer in damier graphite. I hope you have liked this quick little video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a really nice day, and bye for now. Bye.